about the F10. I'm gonna pretty much be showing you guys everything I've done to the car from the last time you guys saw it, because the last time you guys saw it, it looked like this, and it does not look like that anymore. I've wrapped the car, I've done a lot to the car. I'll be showing you guys right now. I'll give you guys a walkthrough of everything I've done to it. And I'm also gonna be tuning the car today, and I'll walk you guys through what I'm gonna use and how I did it and the prices as well. As you can tell, the car's not complete. I still need to wrap the front bumper, the side skirts, and the rear bumper. But I did go with the F90 style front bumper, so that I changed. I went with these two-piece wheels. They are a little aggressive in the rear. That dent has always been there, but since I wrapped it a satin color, it's more noticeable. So I need to get like those paintless dent remover guys to come take care of that for me. I got the M5 rear bumper. I still need to get the corner little lights for it. Carbon fiber diffuser. Because I did go with the M5 rear bumper, I had to get the quad tips. So I got that done as well. I got this carbon fiber duck lip. I am gonna be leaving the roof black. I'm still debating whether to leave it black or to go with like a carbon fiber wrap, but I do want it to look realistic. And yeah, the car does need a wash, so I'll be washing it later. I got these carbon fiber mirror caps as well. Pretty much that's everything I've done to the car so far. I mean, to me it looks pretty clean. Once the wrap's complete, it should be out together. I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything else to the car on the outside. Probably change the grills in the future because they are a little aggressive. But that's about it. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention, I did do the Starlight headliner on the car. I'm not sure if you can see it at the moment, but it's all black suede. The pillars in the front and the pillars in the rear as well. Alright, so I ended up going with MHD tuning. Honestly, I don't know much, but from what I've heard, it's all preference with JB4, boot mode, and MHD. I just went with MHD because it looks the easiest. I'll be showing you guys why I feel like it's the easiest, and you can also mess with things a little more. Like I said, don't quote me on that because I don't know much. I'm still learning this Beamer thing, but yeah, here goes nothing. So this is basically just an OBD2 port. You plug it in and it's wireless through Wi-Fi, so I can see everything on my phone. I can also erase codes and see what codes are popping up, and obviously also tune the car. The other way to do it is with the cable. This one also has for the cable, but I've heard with the cable it takes like a good 8 hours to do for the tune to load up. And with this, it takes, I believe, 4 to 5 minutes. So, like I said, I've never done this. We're gonna try it out right now and see how it goes. Okay, so before anything, I went to mhdtuning.com and I bought the license for the M55. There's also the super license, but I don't have enough for that. So I got just this one. I believe it's the regular license. It's 249 euros. That did mess me up because I thought it was $249, but it ended up being, I believe, 301 US dollars. So that's how much this one is. So I bought this one, and this doesn't come with maps or anything. It's just a license. What it does come with is the Burble tune and stage 0, so it doesn't give you any horsepower at all. Okay. So I went and I bought that, and in a few seconds it sent me the license number through email, and then I just got to put that in on the MHD tuning app. So depending on the car you have is the one you're gonna get. I do have an F10, so I got the F10 G series app. So let's go ahead and open that. Once you open the app, like I said, the OBD2 port is Wi-Fi. So let's go ahead and connect to that. I'm already connected. Okay, now that I've connected to it, you do gotta make sure the car's off. So the car's off now. You're gonna go ahead and go to flash a MHD map. You see, these are your different options. I am going to be going with the stage 2, but for right now I am going to stay with the stage 0. Here's your options you have. Let's go ahead and turn exhaust burble on. Duration. For bass, we'll go ahead and put it at 1. We'll put that one in 1 second. I am gonna go with the hard aggressiveness. Minimum speed 0. Maximum speed 99. Turn on the starter bore. And yeah, that's the only options I have. I'm gonna look into the activate anti-lag. I don't know how that one works. I'm gonna go ahead and, or let's go ahead and, yeah, I'm not sure how that one works. So I'm gonna go ahead and look into that before I mess with that. Exhaust setup. Yeah, I do have aftermarket downpipes. I don't know what that is, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. I believe like that it's fine, so let's go ahead and get out of here and let's write the map. Let's turn the AC off because I don't know how long it's gonna take. Map right. The car is gonna throw you weird codes. You see how fast it is? Like I said, it will throw you weird codes everywhere. Success, wait 30 seconds. Okay, we're gonna give it 30 seconds and we're gonna turn it on. All right, let's turn it on. Oh, that rev up did work. I did feel it rev up a little bit more this time. Or roar up or whatever it's called, but it did rev high on the startup. restraint and the airbag light is on. I need to take care of that because I don't know if you guys can hear that. The clock spring is messed up, so my horn doesn't work at the moment. None of the controls work, and I do gotta deal with that annoying noise. So yeah, I'll be fixing that soon. But let's see if we have Burbles now. Okay, so I do have it where it pretty much does nothing in drive. I have to throw it in sport. So, but let's go ahead and throw it in first because I am recording. Keep in mind, this is hard. This is the most aggressive it gets. I can't keep it going as well. Like that's me doing it. If I just let it do it on its own, it does like a good 5 little pops and that's it. Here's me on drive. It won't do anything. Let's start in sport. I'm not sure if the car will pop while it's on park or neutral, but let's try it. That is going to be it for this video. If I didn't explain myself right, my bad. Like I said, I'm learning as well. But go ahead and leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned with the videos. The truck is almost done, so just be ready for that one.